In that bag right there, look.
Nigga run, nigga run.
You gotta put your bag on the wing, man.
If you don't look back, you gotta stay quick. He ain't see nothing. He ain't even light it up or nothing. Ready to run.
Cousin Tank.
Yeah.
After they finish, can I pop this one?
Okay, yeah, nigga, go on, nigga.
Yeah, he drunk. My
Go.
cousin drunk. Y'all show me. What you want?
You was.
Bro, what? Bro, chill. Alright, boo.
You gonna beat me up? I'm OG though. How you gonna beat your OG up?
You ready to run, nigga?
Hey, watch out!
Come on, nigga. Talk about shut up, nigga. Man, that shit ain't doing shit. That ain't shit. That ain't shit.
It's a light show.
We got some old stuff. We got
Oh.
a voodoo bomb.
The voodoo bomb?
You about to throw that?
Yeah, throw the voodoo bomb out, cause that was weak in a bit. What was that, nigga? Come on, man.
But you better. He's did it.
Nah, nigga, cause I'm trying to the voodoo bomb. Nigga, I know the voodoo bomb gotta be a bad bitch.
Want Tank?
Voodoo bomb.
You want me?
Alright, move out the way.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Hey! Get back! Get back!
Girls gone.
Your phone dark as hell.
My phone dirty.
Dark.
Huh?
Dark.
Oh shit.
It's light.
Okay. Okay, kid
Turn it up
folk.
or something.
Well, shit, tell me
You
that
just
little
poured in
kid
the
folk.
car.
But shit, nigga, you know I only been out 3 years, nigga. I don't